okay. First Friday of the month at the drag strip. Graham lights on the front holding drag slicks. Chevys in the staging lanes, Dodgers and some Mustangs. It's about to happen on the track, bitch. I'm about to pull up, stage up, turn that damn spray up, boost controller way up. I don't need luck, keep my eyes on the tree. RPMs above 3.5, way the pedal don't freeze up. 4G63, running good like it should. Pull up to the strip, drilling Hondas like I wish you would. I don't dislike them, I just don't drive them. Diamond Star Motors, all Civics, stay behind them. You know what it is when you see me on the track. Got that 7-volt block with the head pushed back and the boost full blast. All you see is the ass of my talent when the mics drop. I can't be past. My boost builds fast, make the 9 to 1 compression, keeping present, second guessing though they never learn their lesson. Cursing my presence like I co-signed your fucking car. No, bitch, you should've bought an Evo, replacing displacement, a V8 at a time. I leave them at the line like the tree a stop sign. The finish line mine and I'm gonna get my time. Or better yet, I'll ask him, he saw it just fine. First Friday of the month at the drag strip. Graham lights on the front holding drag slicks. Chevys in the staging lanes, Dodgers and some Mustangs. It's about to happen on the track, bitch. I'm about to pull up, stage up, turn that damn spray up, boost controller way up. I don't need luck, keep my eyes on the tree. RPMs above